Hi, I'm Heather, makeup artist for Very. I'd like to show you my glittery eye makeup look. I recommend starting with the eyes as the glitter might drop down and it's easier to clean up without foundation on. As you would with a smoky eye, start with a neutral skin tone eyeshadow and start to layer into the crease of the eye with warm, darker tones. Build up a smoky eye by getting darker towards the outside and leave the inner corner. Always blend your colours to avoid harsh lines. Using a glitter glue or primer, lightly apply to the eyelid starting from the inside to just over halfway. Pat on the glitter, adding more until you get the desired amount. Use a similar tone eyeshadow and a small brush to blend into the glitter. Add eyeliner to the upper and lower waterlines. Now clean up any drop down or glitter eyeshadow with makeup remover and apply primer, foundation and concealer. To finish the eyes, fill in your eyebrows and add mascara. Apply blusher, bronzer and highlighter and a matte coloured lip to complement the glitter and finish the look. So that's your makeup looking amazing, but what about your hair? I've already got a loose wave in my hair, so I'm just going to make a side parting using this tail comb. Once you get a sharp parting, comb down flat the smaller side. Add a few simple grips behind the ear to hold down the hair and seal with hairspray. Using a backcombing brush, select layers and backcomb until you've covered the whole top area. Flip the hair back and neaten with a light comb. Seal everything with a last coat of hairspray. If you give this fab festive style a go, I'd love to know how you get on, so don't forget to leave your comments below. Happy styling!